All right, guys. So yeah, if you see the first video on how to replace the belts and first inspection of this Sharp RT-30 cassette deck, vintage cassette deck. On the last video, it was just an inspection, and yeah. So I did that, and in order to remove the cassette deck, yeah, you need to, if you didn't watch the first video, you need to remove 4 screws, all right, just for the cassette deck. So it's gonna be that one right there, and then the second one is right there, hidden in the corner, and then there's 3 and 4, okay. But what I found out is that's not it, because I tried to pull it this way and I can't because of this this board right here is on the way, okay. So I actually need to remove the front cover, the face. So and this cassette deck also has 2 more screws down here, all right, these 2 right here, okay. But in order to remove the front panel, we need to remove these 4 more screws, okay. 1, 2, 3, and on the other side there's another one, so that's 4. All right. And the good thing is that all these screws right here, the ones on for the front panel, they're the same size, so that's good. So obviously, in order to get access to the screws for the cassette deck itself, you're gonna need to get a, oh, you know what, this is actually bigger than this one. All right, so the ones on the side are smaller. Oh, like I was saying, so yeah, you need to get a smaller screwdriver to get in there. Otherwise, you're gonna have to remove the board and everything pretty much just to get access to the belts. And with a small screwdriver like this one, you get access to those screws right there. All right. Oh, okay. We need to remove these 2, what do you call those things? Nuts? I don't even know. But we need to remove those. This thing also popped up. I don't know what it is. I think it's for the door. Okay, so I'm gonna check that once I get access to the cassette deck. Alright, now we can pull it out. Oh shoot, it's got some cables hooked up to something. Okay, so I guess we need to remove more screws. So it's gonna be these four for these LED lights, and this one right here for this for the indicator. Put it back just so it's easier for me to actually. Oh shoot. I don't think I need to do that, but I do need to remove this one, which is easier. That's gonna give me access to the cassette deck. And it's just one screw. This is for the headphone jack, I think. I'm gonna put a little bit of tape so I know it's there. And then the only thing in my way is this spring right here for the recording bar. Okay, so once you get the cassette deck like this, it's pretty easy to remove it, or so I thought. There you go. And if it's easier, you can also remove it from here. It goes on the last hole. See right here. All right, and then you get access to this. Wow, look at that. Looks like one of the belts got destroyed and it's all smudged and stuff. So I'm gonna have to clean that. I'm gonna make a third video on how to actually replace them, and yeah. Thank you guys for watching.